everyone. Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia and I am Professor Neha Telani. Students, in FY BMS, BBI, BAF, BFM, we have one subject called Foundation Course 2 in Semester 2. So, today in that subject, we are going to study one topic named as conflict and different levels and causes of conflict. But before going to that particular topic, let's have a look on the syllabus of Foundation Course 2. Now, in this Foundation Course 2 subject, we have 5 modules. In that, first module deals with globalization in Indian society, where we will learn that is LPG concept, liberalization, privatization and globalization. Along with that, there is one term that is known as migration. And there are different terms also, that is corporate farming, than the different terms we are going to study. After that, we have second module, that is human rights. As we all know, we have human rights, duties and responsibilities that is written in Indian Constitution, which is highlighted in human rights module. Third module deals with ecology. Here we are going to study environment, the terms related with environment. Then we have fourth module, that is understanding stress and conflict. Here we will understand the terms stress, conflict and different types of stress, conflict. In module 5, we will study how we can manage stress and conflict in contemporary society. So, today we are going to start with module number 4, that is understanding stress and conflict. So, let's start. Now, we have module 4, that is understanding stress and conflict. Let's understand the meaning of term conflict. Conflict means when we have disagreement or argument about something important. When two people discuss some important thing and when two people have their different ideas, different opinion regarding that important term or important talk, that is when the conflict arises. The term conflict has been derived from Latin word that is confligere. Confligere means come together for a battle. When we have battle with someone, that means conflict. Usually conflict arises because we have different needs, we have different values, we have different ideas. When two people communicate, their values are different, their ideas are different, their needs are different. So that arises conflict. Now, basically, there are levels of conflict. There are 4 levels of conflict or 4 types of disagreement, we can say, between an individual or between a group of individuals. And each level comes with own unique challenges and solutions. So, let's study the 4 levels of conflicts we have. First, we have intrapersonal conflict. Second, interpersonal conflict. Third, intra-group conflict. And fourth, intergroup conflict. So let's study one by one. First type of conflict is intrapersonal conflict. Students, intrapersonal conflict means when we have conflict within ourselves. When we are conflicting not with others but with ourselves only. Suppose in my mind there are 2 things at the same time, whether to go for a movie or whether to study. There is conflict in my mind, there is conflict within myself only. I'm not conflicting with other person, but I'm conflicting with myself only in my own thoughts, in my own ideas. So that is what intrapersonal conflict is. Let's take another example. there is one person named as Rihanna who is a who hires a new member for a sales team. She interviews several candidates and believes that there are three salesperson who are would make an excellent sales representative, but she can't decide whom to hire. So there will be conflict in her own mind, like to whom to select for that particular course. So that type of conflict is known as intrapersonal conflict, when we are conflicting with ourselves only, not with others. Let's study the second type of conflict, that is interpersonal conflict. Interpersonal means when there is conflict between two or more persons in an organization. There are two persons who have different personalities, who have different values, who have different ideas, views, opinions, and when they are communicating with each other, if there is a difference of opinion while communicating, the conflict will arise. Suppose there is one person named as Roshan, and he is a digital marketer in a company, and he has an experience of 4 years. So he has been told that after that you will be placed as a director of marketing. But now the another person comes and he has been appointed an year before only, and he has been appointed as director for that particular organization. So there might be a conflict between Roshan and that person who is appointed recently but has been posted as a director. So when there is a conflict between two or more person related to certain idea, related to certain issues in organization, that is known as interpersonal conflict. So interpersonal conflict means when there is conflict between two or more person. Third type of conflict, we have intra-group conflict. Now intra-group means there is conflict within group itself. We are not conflicting with another group, but the members of group among themselves are conflicting on a certain issue or on a certain topic. So that is known as intra-group conflict. Intra-group means there is conflict within that group only. Suppose there are 4 persons in group named as Josh, Ashley, Beth, Tom, and they are discussing on certain things like how we can launch a new product. But these people have different opinions regarding launching a product. One is saying go for digital marketing. Another person is saying we can go for traditional marketing. So there is different of opinions. So when in a group persons have different opinion, there will be an intra-group conflict. They are working in a group itself, but there is conflict between them how we can launch a new product, as they all of them are having different opinion regarding that. That is what intra-group conflict. Next type we have intergroup conflict. When there is conflict between two groups, that is what intergroup conflict is. We are having conflict between two groups. There is group A, group B. Both are conflicting, both are having argument with each other's group. That is what intergroup conflict is. So these are what different types or levels of conflict we have seen. That is intergroup conflict, intragroup conflict, interpersonal conflict, and intrapersonal conflict. Now there are various sources, or we can say causes of conflicts. Why the conflict arises, or from where the conflict arises. So there are certain common issues where the conflict arises, such as organizational change, varied values, personality traits, endangered status, difference of views or opinions, we can say, competition, multiple functions, goals, absence of trust, and apart from that there are multiple causes also, which we are going to study in next lecture. We will study all these causes, all these sources of conflicts in next lecture in detail, and along with that we are going to talk about how we can resolve all these conflicts. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.